Well, here's a bit of content that's going to challenge folks. I started doing this backcountry skiing and rock climbing. This is essentially a poo tube. The reason that's important, particularly in the snow country, is if you bury your crap in the snow, eventually the snow is going to melt and your crap's going to find its way into the water system. Now, I could take a little walk with a shovel, and usually it's a desperate walk because I leave it to the last minute, and I may or may not get that hole deep enough. And a dog, fox, possum could probably dig it up, and then flies get on it. Flies come into camp on your food and on your face. And that's if I've dug a hole. Like a lot of free campers, they might leave it to the last minute. They might be just driving through in a car and they don't dig a hole. And then there's some areas where it's just not practical to dig a hole. It's too rocky, it's too hard. Then there's the convenience. If I was here at this free camp and there are a lot of other people here, it'd be hard to find a private space to do that business. You have to take a long walk. Whereas with this system, you know, put 3 bags in here, maybe I'll take a 4th. We don't need a 4th actually, I'm only here for a couple of days. I can place this thing in the big tent, do my business, tie up that bag, put the lid on it, and leave that in the tent. I can take it out or take the plastic bags and tie them up in more plastic bags. But the convenience of not having to go for a walk and expose flies, if you're on a beach, snow, too close to water, too many people, it's another thing that I think people should be thinking about. These plastic bags nowadays are apparently biodegradable. We've been picking up dog crap for ages and it's a good thing to do. If we can do it for dogs, we can do it for ourselves.